Okay, after I put in the new dial here, and I'm gonna try to see if that thing works. Let me turn on the power. Okay, the light bulb is still on, so something's still wrong. And I checked the output voltage is only 6 volt only. So the circuit here to the power amplifier has problem. For the output circuit, we need to check if this 4 power transistor, and any one of this transistor defective, it will cause the high current and will blow up the fuse here. So this is the first step we need to check is the power transistors here. Okay, I set the meter for dial mode here. I'm going to check all this 4 transistor, power transistor. I think one of them or a couple of them short. That's why the short circuit after I plug in. Okay, let's see. This is C. .03. Yeah, this one's short. This one's okay. Oh, this one's okay too. And this one's short. Okay, and the second step is to check the bias circuit, which is these 3 components here, diodes, and then VR, which is the potentiometer, and then this bias transistor. So this is the next step we need to check. Okay, I remove the VR3 and VR4 from power amp. Let's test, see if this works. The old one is completely open. That's why it caused the high current and blow up the fuse. And I also ordered a new one, it's 50 ohm. You can see the difference here. 50.4. And this one 51.4. So I'm going to replace with a new potentiometer and see if the thing can fix. I took out the old potentiometer and I replaced it with a new one, pulsar channel, and I'm going to do a test and I'll see if it works. Okay, let me turn on the power. And I don't see the light bulb, the light right now, so I'm not shorting. And then let's see. So it's working now. To replace the light inside the dial panel, I need to take all the nut out on the face panel, and then there's a couple screw on this dial panel here. After you remove this screw, you can pop this thing out, and so we can reach inside here. It's already a light inside. So I'm going to test all this light and see if that's still good or not. Okay, I changed all these 4 light in the socket, and it's all LED right now. Let's try it and see if it works. Yeah, it's all working. So I'm ready to put the panel back now. We turn on the power. Okay. To the phone. Let me turn to FM. This is FM. Phono.